Bitcoin at $58,000 after falling down to 55,000 early in the morning, forming a beautiful, what do we call this, double bottom at around 54,800. Now, I'm looking to buy this around 54,300 kanina. I was not able to, unfortunately. So, that's that. And we're now playing this inverted head and shoulders, which has a target of, for our, oops, I think sinabi ko na ito kagabi, yung isang araw pa. Okay, back at the prior all-time high, $62,000. Around that 4.618 region, no? Um, we are hitting right around 2618. The resistance at 58,400. Okay, exactly. So what am I looking at this now? I'll be looking at it for it to close around here. If it closes above 58,300, I'll be looking for this today immediately, to test 59,500, 600. And then if it goes above there on a 4 hour, I will be looking at this 62,000. So, and that's the big one. If we break 62,000, I'll be looking for the next extension. First target natin, fifth extension natin, okay, 65K next. And then, uh, $69,000, around 70K. This is also the measurement exactly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Even above. So maybe a week to 74,000 is possible. Ultimately, I'll be look for a small stop at 69K. Maybe a daily consolidation again. Who knows? It is quite. We have to mind that we are quite overextended on the weekly time frame, and anytime it can blow off. All right. So we have to be careful on buying above these levels. You probably cannot manage it on a closing basis at a weekly, if unless you care about more than $10,000 risk. So now, sa mga hindi nakabili, saan tayo where do we want to buy? First, I want to look at the status of our indicator here, the cloud and the moving averages. Okay, very, very clear. We clear the cloud. Although the cloud is red, it's not a bullish setup yet. So maybe we can still have slight consolidation above 56,500. No? And then let me check the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so same thing, bullish setup. Kabo na binabuy opportunity, na rise up na nga. And VWAP, nasaan si VWAP? Okay, that's the immediate buy opportunity. Showing 56,500 pa rin. This will rise up over time. That will be our first buy opportunity. I'm not looking for immediate continuation dun, no? Pero it can be. Let's see how the higher time frames looking like. Yeah, this can be easily be an engulfing weekly towards the 69. Although it's the first candle of the week, no? Yeah. I say Bitcoin has to break above $62,000 within the next 2 weeks. If it's not this week, then next week, or else we're going to be losing a lot of momentum, and I would be looking for this actually to go down to below 45,000. All right. So let's go back to the shorter time frames. What would be our support? 56,500 is our support. Will we get there as a good buying opportunity? Maybe we'll have to wait as sobrang bago pa lang itong rally niya. No? Okay, let's look at our other top top coins. Ethereum. Yeah, I was looking to buy this. Sabi ko nga nung isang araw. No? Although I wasn't able to get my bid around here. Yeah, sayang. This is a classic area when you see a cloud flip from red to green in the 1 hour. Price gets pulled into it but gets supported. This actually had the chance to break down. A thin cloud like this means na it's the chance for the sellers to step in and break it down so that it can easily be a resistance after the next few candles. No? Pero they did not. The buyer stepped in a lot and they stepped in big time. Big time step into 5,000 6%. And now, yeah, and the buyers are doing the opposite on this cloud flip sa 4 hour naman. I'll be looking at this to test 1800 and then 1860 uh, next few days. So, check ko lang mga coins ko. Si Cardano, I actually bought this because I see that there's a rounding bottom here trying to get reaccumulated. I'll be looking for this to go higher. There's nothing bearish about this. RSI is trying to same with the exponential, no? Volatility will expand while price action is going up. That's exactly what it's saying. Do we want to look at the higher time frames here? I think daily is getting supported by the daily 21. Yep, daily 21. So very strong trend pa rin siya. I'll be looking for this to test 1.35 and then it will come back to 1.448 yung final resistance niya. Target ko kay Cardano after that. Let's see. For new all-time high is 1.62 is next. And then 1.8. But ultimately, I will be looking for this around the 2.618. $2.30. And if mag-super hyper extended rally siya, I'll be looking at 3.30 cents. $3.30 for Cardano. Okay. If we break yung support natin is 1.15 cents, $1.15, I'll be looking for this to come down to $1.07. Let's see, link. Okay, there's link. Si link, medyo interesting siya. It's trying to actually rally and looks like itong buong structure nito is going to be a bear trap. Discontinue. This is an ascending triangle. Let's see the volume. Yep, this is an ascending triangle. Once you break the 4-hour 200 moving averages, I'll be looking for this back to $31.5 and probably higher, especially after putting in a trap. It's the same thing with DOT. Ito na nga, leading na nga to. Nag-death cross, pero fake out. Shake out to. Buti na lang maganda yung entry ko dito, $19 pa lang. Or else na shake out na ako dito. Fake out yung golden cross niya. At 12 hour is also going to break it. And there's nothing bearish about this. In fact, I think this is going to go to break to new all-time highs. And meron na siyang parang buwelo tawag natin. No? Kasi marami nang na-shake out. And if it continues like this, I'll be looking like, may tawag ito eh, parang a bullish consolidation and then a breakout and then a fake out. I'll be looking at this $70. I don't want to sell at $50 anymore, I think. Well, maybe I'll take some profit, pero this has been going on for a while now. No? Ascending triangle, binigyan nyo tapos babalik ka doon. It's not a good sign for the sellers. Uh, this is going to the moon. uh, let's see, yung mga strongest natin. C1, uh, buy opportunity si Harmony sa 1 or 200 dati. Ito, $16. Ngayon, nagrarally na lang siya. No sign of slowing down yet. There's nothing I can say here except that there's an immediate support previous area that we want to. Normally ayaw mo siya maghang above the previous resistance, no? Gusto mo maybe 1, 2, 3 candles, up to 3 candles, no? Gusto mong mag-rally na siya above this area. You want it to hit around as fast as possible. Yeah, 0.25 gusto mong ma-hit agad. Ayaw mong mag-stock siya dyan sa previous all-time high maybe. Preferably, mapunta rin siya sa 0.32 over time. Maybe it's a buy opportunity right now. Siguro titingnan ko. Is it? Didn't even test the 1R21. The RSI is going to start downtrending in the 1 hour. So maybe a little bit of sideways here. Maybe I'll wait for the next 2 to 3 candles. Sorry, 1 to 2 candles na lang. Kasi meron na isa dito eh. Pero as long as it's holding above 20 cents, it's good. If not, I'll be looking at this to test the 4R21 at 19 cents. And if that breaks, I'll be looking for it at 16.6 cents. Ano pa ba ibang coin? I think that's all the coins that I want to check si Theta. Ano nangyari dito? Okay, same thing. Powerful ang NFT natin, no? Pero hindi pa siya nagsusot sa previous high. Below resistance pa rin. But looking good. This ascending triangle. Meron pa ako gusto i-check. Oh, yeah. Yep. This ascending triangle si BNB. Okay. So, will this break up na ba? Dito yung ano. Dito actually ito. Meron na resistance ito but it's not important. Important is 333. I'll be sticking at my $600 by target ko dito dati. Ay, nako. Pangit. $500 sa ascending triangle. Pero trust Fibs more than that. Just 1.618. Actually, $450. Eventually, 600. No, 2.618. On a consolidation like this, we don't want to get stuck at around 1.618. In the higher macro time frames kasi, parang potential siya maging high eh. Kaya gusto mong mag-rally siya to at least 2.618, which is around 600. Kasi kung mag-stop ka dito sa 450, posible kang mag-form ng high dyan at magiging left shoulder and then right shoulder. And then pag nag-fall down ka, so magiging potential triple top pick off with head and shoulders lower high pa. And mag-form ka ng maraming divergence. Okay, so, ito lang pa sinabi yun. Pero lesson lang. So, still good for now. Dami kong coins dito. Anything else we want to check ba? I think that's all for now on the Bitcoin update. Let's get back to Bitcoin. So, saan na tayo dito? Still 58,000 hanging about. So summary lang, as long as about 56,500, immediately buy pressure up. If you close 4 hour above 58,400, I'll be looking for 60,000. Basically 59,600 exactly, pero maybe weak to 60K. And in fact, why stop there? Yeah, the question is why stop there? Volume is increasing actually in this candle. So this move has the meat in it. Um, yeah, I will be looking for it to buy around the VWAP as my first buy entry. For now, malayo-layo pa siya. I'll be looking for it to meet around siguro around 57,200 ganon, low 57K, maybe 57,300. That should be a good buy for me. At least for a short-term scalp. Pero gusto ko mag-trend trade kasi posible talagang mag-breakout na si Bitcoin. I think that's all for now. Uh, Bye.